time you feel like you cannot go on, you feel so lost and that you're so alone. All you see is night and darkness all around. You feel so helpless, you can't see which way to go. Don't despair and never lose hope, 'cause Allah is always by your side. Inshallah.
Meskipun dicaci, dipaki, dihina, ini harga orang temukan. Bukti orang ke guru-guru orang, mudah-mudahan orang selalu berkaget buat Allah. Itu warga orang, itu orang yang hidup di surga Allah Subhanahu wa taala.